My name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and Oracle's new data privacy settlement. In 2024, Oracle settled a case related to privacy violations. The settlement for that case was $115 million. So there are a couple of things that are going on with Oracle right now as it relates to this particular case and actually this side business that they had in terms of being a data broker or having a data brokering business. So for a couple of years, Oracle is making quite a bit of money, actually into the billions of dollars in this data brokering business. But as a result of consumer attitudes, regulations, federal and state regulations around privacy, that business had been losing quite a bit of money. And I think actually the last revenue haul for that business was around $300 million. So Oracle actually is in the process of shutting that particular business down. But this particular settlement was around how Oracle was handling data of customers in terms of generating information based on external and internal URLs as well as online forms that people fill out. So this is a big deal. This settlement, it does a couple of things. One, it is probably one of the major settlements around privacy that is more around business. So this was not as much of a revenue generating business perhaps as Oracle had thought it would be. Again, they decided that they were going to shut this particular business down, and to me I think that it is indicative of the fact that privacy risk really is business risk now. So I know that a lot of other companies who have had other privacy issues have probably come to the same conclusion. There have been a lot of settlements. There have been a lot of cases that actually did not either go all the way to trial because I think companies are realizing that handling people's data in ways that maybe they would not be agreeable to is a problem, whether or not it is against a particular law. Also, I think the fragmentation of privacy regulations from a state-by-state level is creating more complexity for businesses. So whatever businesses can do to create more transparency, they definitely should do that. Part of this settlement is that Oracle has to actually implement an audit program to review their customer compliance and contractual agreements around privacy obligations. I think this is a wake-up call for corporations or businesses that are using people's data, that they need to definitely take it seriously, and it can definitely have a bottom line impact in a negative way. Of course, we hope that companies who definitely embrace privacy and definitely embrace protecting and understand people's rights, it will actually have a positive impact on their bottom line because they're doing something that perhaps consumers can't do for themselves, which is to protect themselves and protect their data. That's it. Thank you.